Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I don't want to take up a lot of your valuable time today, but I do want to show you sticky reviews and tell you exactly what they are, how they work, how they can actually help you increase conversions and make you more money, and show you how easy they are to actually use and make you understand why they're a must-have for your business. That being said, let's just talk about real quick, what are sticky reviews? So sticky reviews is social proof. It's real social proof from your real clients that you can put on your website just like this. You can put on any of your websites, any of your landing pages that will actually help you get conversions and help you get more sales. That means more money to you, more people on your opt-in list, more people buying your products, all because of this little social proof right here. You can see these are real reviews from real sticky reviews users. So now I'm going to show you, now you understand what they are. They're these little social proof pop-ups. They're really, really powerful. You can ask Neil Patel, he's right here, and he would say that social proof is one of the most important things that has to be on a website. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to use sticky reviews. So first, what we're going to do is we're first going to create a brand. Now, you don't have to have a brand. Your brands are, you see this powered by ClickFunnels. If you actually open it opens up my ClickFunnels affiliate link. But you don't have to use brands, but you can add brands to your campaign. So I'm going to create a brand called Sticky Reviews. All right. So just like that, I created my Sticky Reviews brand. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to create a campaign. All right. So I'm going to create a new campaign. This campaign is going to be called Link Wizard. It's another one of the amazing Tier 5 softwares. I would suggest if you're a digital marketer sharing content on the internet, you definitely check out Link Wizard. So I'm going to add Link Wizard. That's the domain. I'm going to use the rounded style sticky reviews. You can also pick the square corner, but I like the rounded style. Delay in milliseconds. So 5 seconds between each sticky review that gets shown. And I'm going to turn on branding, and I'm going to select my sticky reviews branding, and I'm going to go ahead and save. Now, I've got my Link Wizard campaign set up. So I'm just going to grab the code to my Link Wizard campaign, and I'm going to go ahead and go install it on my Link Wizard page. All right. I use ClickFunnels. It doesn't matter. We work with every single website builder and every single landing page builder. All you need to do is place this little code right in the footer of your website to be set up. Super simple. Just like that, we work with every website, Shopify, WordPress, Convertri, Builderall, ClickFunnels, you name it, we work with it. You just need to put your sticky review code right in the footer. You could put it in the header, but sometimes that doesn't work. So I recommend always putting it in the footer. All right. So now we've got our little sticky reviews code right on our website. All right. So we've got our brand set up. We've got our campaign set up. So the next thing you need to do is add a review. Let's go ahead and add a review. There's 2 different ways to do it. I'm just going to add one in real quick. Go really fast. All right. You just need to give a name for the review, a tag if you want, or a tag, your great review. Pick a time and date, any time and date that you want. Pick your time and date, give a review, give a file here. And just like that, there you go. Now the review's added. All right, so now we're going to go back to our campaign, and we're just going to come over here, and we're going to add this review to our Link Wizard campaign. So now we save that. Now we're going to go look at Link Wizard, and we're going to reload this page. And look at there. There is my review. Let's take this back to normal size. There's my review. It's already added to my sticky reviews to my page. There's my name. There's the review. Here's my sticky reviews brand. I can click it. It's going to open up sticky reviews. So that's one way that you can actually add the reviews. You can just go into the reviews and you can add them manually by going, let's say, to your Facebook page and actually grabbing the reviews from your Facebook page and just loading them up. So that's one way. The easiest way to do it is create a review link. So we're going to go in and actually create a review link. And this is going to be Link Wizard review link. All right. And I'm just going to call this Link Wizard. So you're just going to give your review link a name. You're going to give it a URL slug. You can choose a file, a picture. So I'm going to choose this Link Wizard picture. So you're going to give a description. All right. tell us what you think about the link wizard. All right. So what you're going to be creating here, let me just show you, is you're creating these review links right here. So you're going to create this process right here. All right. So this process allows you to send out a link, and you can just ask somebody if they would recommend you, yes or no. If they wouldn't recommend you, then they're going to come over here, and you're just going to ask them, you know, hey, we're sorry. Why not? Tell us what you think. They're going to tell you. You're going to ask them for a little bit of information, like their phone number and their email, so that you can contact them, and you can actually justify whatever they were upset about. You can make that right, and then you're just going to send them to a thank you page. If they said yes, that they would recommend you, you're going to grab that review up, and then you're just going to ask them, hey, can I display this on my website? If they say yes, you're going to get an image from them, and then take them to your thank you page. If they say no, you're going to take them right to your thank you page. All right. Now, if you do auto approve, what that means is you can pick a minimum star rating. I'm going to pick 4. You can pick what campaign you want this to go on. I'm going to pick it to go on Link Wizard. And then whenever they go through this process and they say you can put this on your website and they give you their image, as long as the star rating that they gave you is greater than or equal to your minimum star rating, will automatically add that new review right to your campaign. So there is no manual process. It's a completely automated process. So now in your automated process, whenever somebody, let's say, goes out and buys Link Wizard after their 14-day free trial, when their payment's made, you can, with your receipt, you can send them out this review link, and you can go ahead and capture a review and add it to your website automatically. So let's go ahead and finish this up. So tell us what you think about Link Wizard. We appreciate all feedback. And we love all our users. All right. So negative message 1, again, this negative message 1 is going to be the message that goes right here. Negative message 2 is going to be the message that goes right here. So to give you an example, negative message 1, they said they won't recommend you, and they've just given you the review, and now you're asking them for extra information. So I'm going to say something like, we're so sorry you feel this way, but we really want to make it right. Can you please help us out and give us a little more information so we can reach out to you and make it all better? Thank you. All right. Again, we are really sorry for this. We will make it better. We appreciate all feedback. Thank you very much. All right. So, appreciate. Can't spell appreciate. There we go. All right. So now I've got everything that I need. All right. Negative message info 1. All right. So essentially I put this in the wrong spot. All right. Negative message goes there. Negative message 2 goes there. This is positive message. This is the message that they're going to see right here. Thank you so much for your feedback. We love you. All right. So now I'm going to save that. Now that I save that, if you look, I'm just going to get a little link that I'm just going to copy right there. You can see that I only have one review right here. All right, so I'm going to get that little link, and I'm going to go ahead and pop it right in there. And now I'm going to get this review link. Now, if you look, that looks good there. If you put it on a mobile device, just like that, it looks great on a mobile device as well. So on either device that you use, it's going to look great. And you're just going to ask somebody, hey, would you recommend us? Yes. So first we're going to say yes. All right. Link Wizard rocks. By far an amazing software. I'm going to give it a 5-star review and say, can I use this on our website? Yes, sure. We're going to need an image, so I'm going to give this image right here. And then we're going to go next. All right, if you look, we're done. If we come back over here to Link Wizard and reload this page, bam, if you see right there, it was automatically added to our website. So in real time, automatically added to our website. All right. If they don't give you a good review, if they don't recommend us, they're going to go through this route right here. They can give you any information that they want. And they're going to go in, you're going to ask them for their email. Here's your negative review message. They're going to give you a phone number. And you're going to give them your negative review message too. And you're going to see those reviews pop in right here. So that's what sticky reviews is. It's social proof. You can see how easy it is to use. You can see how this is going to actually increase your conversions and increase your sales right on your website. It's super simple, super easy to use. You can click this button right here, start your 14-day free trial. It's only $47 a month for the agency plan. I just want you to know on our starter plan, we don't let you have the review links on our starter plan. You need to be at least on the premium to be able to actually get those review links. These review links are going to allow you to completely automate the process of getting reviews. You can make this little link. You can send this out in an email to all your clients after you service them, and they can easily go in through a very simple process, leave you a review, tell you what they think about your products or your services, and as long as that review meets your minimum criteria, you can go ahead and automatically have it added to your website in real time to keep your reviews new, to keep them fresh. That's going to really help you increase conversions. So that's exactly what sticky reviews are. You can see how they're really going to help you. Hopefully you can understand. I'm a software engineer and not a marketer. So I'm sorry this video sucks so bad, but I hope you actually get the ideal of sticky reviews and how they can be helpful to you, why it's a must-have for you to actually have in your business. There are other competitors, but you won't find anybody that is as affordable as us, that gives you as much power as us, that actually has any type of automated review intake process. So go ahead and sign up. You can start your 14-day free trial right now today.